What's up, guys, and welcome to the top of A Basin again. I had so much fun on this trail the other day that I wanted to try it again. So we're back up top. A lot less snow, it has melted, but the main reason for this video is we want to see if this is going to be a good GoPro mount. Now, it came with my helmet. This is like what they recommend, I would assume, if it comes with your helmet sitting on your head. Now, I don't know if it's going to be a good shot or not. My chest mount's kind of loose, so it bounces, and so the hyper smooth on the GoPro can't even really tell it's there because the chest mount's shaking so much. So I did order a face mask mount that will be coming in the mail this week. So for today's video, let's find out if this is going to be a good camera angle as well. I do like this one where I can point and talk to you guys. I really hope the sun's not like absolutely killing you. If it is, I'm sorry, but we're about to start riding, so it's not gonna matter anyways. So let's hit this one run. It's gonna be a kind of a short video. Let's find out if this camera angle is sick, whether you guys like it or not. And once again, every time we're on our bike, every time we do a run, do a climb, we get better at mountain biking, and that's the whole point while we're doing this. All right, let's drop. There's a rock jump right here I didn't see last time. Oh. That was all snow last time. It was so sketchy plowing through it. Already slipped out a little bit. Ooh. Looking through the berm. Slowing down. This one's sketchy. Got rocks and then the berm. Ooh. Little jump right here. Ugh. Slow down into it. Look at the rocks. Ooh. I didn't change my gears because I don't do too much pedaling. I'm always so scared. These berms are just so tight. Ooh. They are high though, so if you are good, you got a rock jump. Ooh. Go around. Ooh. Alright, we got this rock jump right here. Ooh. Slow it down. And then there's the hip into a berm. Such a sick feature. You can like slide these. Last time we went over this gigantic rock. We're not going to do that this time. We'll go this technical way. Oh. All right, we're doing good. We're about halfway through the downhill now. It's a short downhill, but it's also a short up. You can do this whole loop in like 30 minutes, which is sick. And we didn't have a lot of time today, so that's why we're doing this. You can send this rock if you're good enough. Ooh. We're gonna pop this rock. Ooh. And this rock. Ooh. Ooh. It's kind of the more technical section. Ooh. Just gotta let the bike do the work. Staying in attack position is something I hear a lot. Get the rock. Ugh. Jump. Ugh. I'm not really getting high off the ground, but I'm trying the jumps. I think that's what matters. Before we wouldn't try to jump anything. Now we're trying. We didn't go this right side last time. Just kind of rocks, nothing special. And at the berm. Go through the berm. And then this was pretty rocky and bumpy. Then we got a jump right here. And another jump. Ugh. Well, we'll get good on jumps, like on trail soon. Looking through. There we go. Huge rock jump. Ugh. This is the gnarliest of the berms. Oh, we killed it. Oh. Oh. Couple jump section right here if you're good. I'm not good, so we ain't gonna do it. This is the home stretch. Big rock jump if you're sendy. Last little like fun snaky berm area. Rock jump. Ugh. Stuff is so soft down here, you get slip really easy. One more rock pop. And we did it. Bam. Bottom of Bay Basin. That was quick and fun. I didn't have a lot of time today, but I figured this still be a fun video. Still good for me to get out, do a lap. Whew. I really like that downhill run. Someone said they didn't really like it because it wasn't built that well, and I like it because I'm a beginner. But that being said, because I'm a beginner, I did enjoy it because I feel like it's just hard enough that it's pushing me to you know what I'm saying, like, and that's what matters. Is like I don't feel like I'm gonna fly off and die, but I do. There are moments where I'm like, okay, like this is challenging, I gotta learn this. So heck yeah, thanks again A Basin for building that and making it free. If you guys want to try it, 30 minutes, you can, like, if you're coming up to do anything, I'm sure you can find 30 minutes in your day extra to come hit this. Woo. Alright guys, make sure you comment down below. Is that a good point, a good shot? I mean, I'll be able to tell when I edit the video what I think of it. But let me know what you thought of the helmet. See where I'm looking, and I also gotta see how the audio is, because normally it's down here, so the audio is really well. I'm assuming when the camera's here, the audio will be very well. And I think the majority of people that make mountain biking content on YouTube have the face guy. You know, I should have tried to see if I can move that here before buying one, but whatever. And guys, don't forget, any of my gear like this helmet or my bike gloves, those are the kind of the only two mountain biking gear I have. I'm borrowing the bike, but any of my mountain biking gear, any of my snowboard gear, especially with the season coming up, if you want any of the gear that I rock during the season, it's always linked in the description. Check it out. Check out the description. I know there's a lot of links. It's a little overwhelming, but if you're looking for something that I normally have, or like my P.O. box, if you want to send me something, literally anything, my email, it's all in there. It's all presented for you guys, so you guys can take advantage of it. So just, you know, check out the description. That's also where the Evolution merch is. And if you want to snag some merch before the season, not only will that help me build up the finances I need for season 4, but you'll have awesome sick merch for the season, which is so sick. And we just ran a huge sale on the Evolution stickers, and so many of you guys snagged them. So thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. That is huge. You have no idea how much that helps, especially with like all the gear I got to snag before this season. So thank you so much, guys, for helping and supporting the channel. And with that, guys, the snowboard season is so close. I cannot tell you how excited I am to get back on my snowboard and start making snowboard videos, because that's what I truly love to do. I am getting into mountain biking. That run was sick. I am having fun. But the biggest thing is when the snowboard season starts, I get to finally shave my face, because I do this for my wife in the summer, and I am sick of the facial hair. Unless you guys like the facial hair, let's find out. And I'm ready to get rid of it, though. I'm ready for the snowboard season. I'm ready to blow your guys' minds with Kyle. We're gonna take it over this season. So with that, guys, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we will see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no. Cliffhanger, yes, I so do. Banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new.
The snow's already melting.